Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to predict a story by looking at the pictures in the text, comprehend asked questions about the given pictures, read aloud the given text in the story, respond to the text post-reading to express how they take the story, comprehend and respond to simple questions, recognize that ED has sound of D as in looked, recognize that ED has sound of T as in danced, recognize that ED has sound of ID as in landed, recognize and identify the ED sounds of D, T, and ID from the given words. Use appropriate expressions in conversation to articulate, recognize, and respond to spread awareness regarding current circumstances. Read aloud for accurate reproduction of sounds of letters and words. Creatively comprehend the text from the book and write it in their own words. Use ED ending words in sentence making. Classify and pronounce the words which do not have any of ED sounds. Enhance the vocabulary with the words from the story. Write the ED ending words which have sound of D, T, and ID. Identify and make exclamatory sentences. Recognize general naming words as common nouns and particular naming words as proper nouns. Classify nouns as common and proper nouns, that is, names of people, pets, places, holidays, etc. Illustrate the use of question words learnt earlier. Identify and use question words, that is, why, how, who, whose, which, where, etc. Recall and apply the rules for the use of a, an, and the. Identify the D, T, and ID sound words from the story. And finally, describe a picture in their own words.